Alright, what is up YouTube? Zan Rahman. And I did a video yesterday where I talked about why our body tends to rebound or gain fat back when we go off a diet, off a calorie deficit. And I talked a little bit about ghrelin, which is a hunger hormone. It is the hormone that makes you feel hungry. And so I thought I'd do this quick video today where I will talk about ghrelin and the other hunger hormone that is leptin. Okay, and before I begin, I'm not a certified nutritionist or dietitian or a doctor, so only believe me if you feel like. Okay, so ghrelin, like I had said in the last video, and if you haven't watched it, I'll be putting it to the end screen to this video so you can check it out. And so, ghrelin is the hunger hormone which makes us feel hungry. Okay, so when you're on a diet or a calorie deficit, or you're not eating as much as you should, and this is the hormone that makes you feel hungry. Whenever you feel hungry, it is because your ghrelin is going into overdrive. Okay, so when you feel hungry, it is the ghrelin, and this is why you rebound and gain fat when you go off a diet, because your body doesn't know you're trying to lose weight or body fat or trying to get lean or whatever it is that you're trying to do. All right, it just senses the amount of calories that you're getting, and our body is not naturally made to be lean. Okay, your body's purpose is to survive, and you don't need to be lean to survive. All right, your body wants to have a certain storage of extra energy in the form of fat. So you're not in your best spot, you're not optimally healthy being very lean. Okay, so this is why when you're dieting, you feel hungry. Okay, you want to eat more, you feel like you're suffering, and it is a bitch because it is the ghrelin, it is your hormone which tells your body and your brain to eat, and you feel like eating. So when you go on binges, or you have a big cheat day or something like that, it is your ghrelin that is allowing you to eat so much. Okay, and leptin is another hunger hormone which is not directly responsible for making you feel healthy. But what it does is it regulates your body's energy sources. Okay, so the ghrelin determines whether you want to be pulling energy from the food or from your fat cells. All right, so suppose you had a big binge or a cheat day, you ate too much more than you should, ate 10,000 calories, 6,000 calories in a day, and the next day you don't feel like eating so much. All right, it is because of the leptin. Okay, so the leptin, like I said, it determines whether your body needs to pull energy from your fat, the stored energy, excess energy that your body has in the form of fat, or from the food that you're eating, from the carbohydrates and the fats. All right, so when you're not feeling hungry, when you're not feeling like eating a lot, it is because your body has enough excess energy in the form of body fat which it can pull energy from if it needs it, and you don't really need to eat so much. So this is why your leptin is signaling your brain and your body to not eat. This is why a lot of overweight people, obese people, have a small appetite. It's because their leptin is acting, the leptin is hyperactive, because they already have a huge storage of excess energy in the form of body fat. All right, so they don't really need to eat so much. So they don't really have a huge appetite, a lot of obese people, but they're still obese because they're not giving their body the stimulus that it needs to be lean. Okay, to lose weight. Okay, because you just won't lose weight sitting around. There needs to be a stimulus. All right, there needs to be some sort of physical activity, exercise, which your body has to adapt to be able to do it better. When you're doing it day after day, so your body would tend to adapt to it, to recomposition it, manipulate itself to enable it to do it better, make it easier for you next time. This is why you need to progressively push your limits with your workouts. Okay, and this is why being consistent is important, and I've talked about this in previous videos. You have to be consistent if you want to make it a lifestyle. Okay, so that was a little something about ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin makes you feel hungry, and leptin regulates your energy sources. It determines where your body needs to pull energy from. So it sort of determines when and how much do you need to eat. So when you're feeling too hungry, it's the ghrelin acting, and when you don't feel like eating too much, it is because you have enough excess energy in your body, which the leptin can utilize for your energy needs. All right, so let me know what you thought about the video. Leave your comments, ask your questions. Let me know what else you want me to talk about. Like the video, share it, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.